Hello and welcome to another rendition of Math is Easy, step by step. So here's another standardized test question for the GED and or HiSET exam. We're still working on geometry type of a problem. So let's just jump right on in here to it. This will be a 4-part video in explaining how to answer this test question. The angles of a triangle are valued in the ratio of 4 to 10 to 14. What is the measurement of the largest angle? Okay, so that's the question there. And I'd like to show you a visual as well as the options. Option A, 90 degrees. Option B, 45 degrees. Option C, 105 degrees. And option D, 120 degrees. And so this triangle is not drawn to scale. I kind of did this the last minute, but I wanted to show you the ratio of these angles are 4 to 10 to 14. Stick with me, part 2, part 3, and part 4 videos in order to understand how to answer this question and how to do a internet search so you can practice these new skills. Okay? Math is easy. Take it step by step. Thank you for joining me. If I've helped you, please help me to help others. Like, follow, share, subscribe.